Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to update ClassX safely without errors. First of all, check that your game is connected to Apple ID or Google or email. Progress is saved in the app in the cloud. Next, check your internet connection. Use a stable Wi-Fi to avoid interrupt downloads. Next, update to the App Store. Go ahead and open your App Store and then tap your profile, find ClassX and tap update to the latest version, and we are going to restart the app after updating. Open the ClassX app to ensure all the features and purchases load correctly. Privacy tip: only update from the official app store to avoid unsafe versions. Quick fix: if the upload fails, restart your iPhone and try the app store log again. Delete and reinstall the app. Your progress is safe if your account is linked. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick and easy game tips.